guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. In this video today, we're going to decorate my June monthly in my catch-all. That is the Happy Planner classic size dashboard layout. I'm going to be using these cute Under the Sea stickers. These are available in my shop now. I'm going to use the mini just because this is a smaller type spread to decorate. The coordinating boxes that I'm going to use are called 𝗨𝗡𝗡𝗡. I'm using the regular size 2-color boxes, and then I'm going to try to put a summer quote somewhere on this spread. I'm not sure if I can make that happen, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to pull the pages off my disc. I have a lot of stuff going on in June, so I need to definitely put a lot of boxes down, or it may not be too terribly much, but it seems like a lot. So yeah, okay. So let's just lay down some decorative stuff first. I'm just going to lay down this little coral sticker down in the bottom corner. I don't know if I just mentioned it or not, but all stickers are 50% off in my shop until further notice. So let's see, what else do I want to do? I just noticed this page is printed like the lines are much darker than this page. It's kind of weird. Let's see. I wonder if I can get a quote over here. Which one did I want to use? I think I want to use Sun, please. And I don't have anything for the 23rd or the 30th, so I'm going to go ahead and stick my quote down over those days. Okay, that's cute. And then, let's see, I want to do the little scuba dive guy up here. And I think I'll do maybe a little turtle up here. Let's just do a little fish. A little fish would be cute. Okay, that's cute. Alright, and then let's put some boxes down. So I'm looking at my little sheet over here, a bunch of my sticky notes. So I need the 2nd, the 5th, second, 5th, let's see. I should have centered that. I don't know if that'll come back up or not. It's okay. I'll leave it. So I'm going to go ahead and balance out this side with 2 of those, and then let's see, the 5th, I'm going to go here. I need one for the 7th. I think I'm going to do this smaller one because it's just for my release. And then let's see, the 25th. Where's the 25th? Right here. So we're going to have to do this one. And I think that's, well, no, I'm going to put one down here. Because I need to cancel my Blink subscription on before the 1st of July. So let's see. And then I'm just going to put a blue one up here somewhere just to kind of even out I'm going to have to cover up Juneteenth. Okay. And I feel like I need a small coral color over here, or yeah, a small something, but it's okay. I'm just going to let it be. All right, so now let's just decorate around with some cute little stickers. So we're going to do the little scuba guy here. Since I got one over there, we got one over here now. Do the little starfish here. Maybe the seahorse right here. So cute. I'm gonna run out of stickers. I'll put this little turtle guy here. Put the little fishy over here. I have that seaweed thing left, but, or coral, not seaweed, but coral left, but it's okay. Alright, I think that's enough. So I want to put a little bit of this washi in here too, just to bring in some more blue pops of color. So we're just going to kind of put it in randomly. It's got this cute little geometric pattern on it. This washi is listed down in the description box below. It's one that I got on Amazon. It's the real skinny washi, so it'll be in the description box for you if you want to order it. That is an affiliate link, so I do earn like a 2% commission, I think, on your Amazon order. It's not much, but every little dollar helps. All right, and then let's see, where else do I want to go? Let's go here. Let's do these two. Try not to have to cut on both ends. It's just hard to do with this little skinny washi. Maybe here. Yeah, that's really cute. Okay, so I know this was a quick video. You know, I figured it would be, but I think this is super cute for a June spread. So we're getting ready for summer on the 20th, and then we've got all our little ocean friends down here. So let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. I'm going to be doing more videos here in the next few minutes. So the next one that you'll see will be my dashboard layout, and it's going to be super cute. So can't wait to get started on this one. So here's what it looks like in my planner. That's it for this video. If you would and you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is free to subscribe. So that is it. I will see you guys on the next video. Love y'all. Bye, guys.